Hey everybody! So today I'm going to be doing this mold, which is, it's got 2 palm trees as well as the holder. So this is going to be for a little Tealight candle, which will hopefully fit in the back of that like that. So I'm going to start out by dusting this with some Chameleon powder and Chameleon flakes. So I'm going to start out with the flakes. And I will start out with the lime green flakes. So basically the inside where these tree branches are, I will do those.
Sunshine bright and warm, palm trees sway and charm, glistening sand so fine, ocean waves divine, feet in the bubbly foam, feels just like we're home, building castles high, seagulls in the sky, fun in the sun all day, we're laughing as we play, life's a beach today, in every single way.
Now I will do some Chameleon powder and we're going to do the teal. So that's that, and then the rest is basically going to be sky. So I'm going to go ahead and go around the outside with this blue as well.
In every single way. Palm trees swaying in the wind, ocean breeze so refreshing.
Just the blue. I'm going with the Chameleon powder only on the base.
Sunny days, no stressing. Footprints in the golden sand, waves kissing the shore. Hold my hand, it's so grand. Feel alive, we adore. Finding the sun every day.
I'm going to go with mint behind,
Living in paradise this way.
which is like a gold color mint.
Play by the bay.
That's just going to go behind the Chameleon flakes.
Summer, so we
So if I
stay.
missed anything, it will add to it, hopefully.
Splashing in the clear blue sea, smiles brighter than the sky. Come and dance, feel so free as the moments pass by. Cool drink in my hand, music fills the air. Paradise so grand, with you these moments share. Finding the sun in every day, living in paradise this way. Laugh and play by the bay, in the summer so we stay. Splashing in the clear blue sea, smiles brighter than the sky. Come and dance, feel so free as the moments pass by. Cool drink in my hand, music fills the air. Paradise so grand.
Okay, so I had put this on my resin curing machine last night, but then I fell asleep, so it's the next day. And I'm gonna go ahead and get these demolded. Okay, that looks pretty. Let's see, I could do a little cleaning up on the edges there, but look at that, that's pretty. Very shimmery. It looks good. All you gotta do is just sand the little edges there. I'm gonna go ahead and demold this. Get some little excess pieces. They just kind of come right off. I did go over in some areas, so I think that should be fine. I did this last night, and I think it's fine to demold at this point. I'm going to let it sit for a day or so. But that is what we're looking like. I got some extra pieces there, which I will save to add into another project. Okay, so here it is. This is the base piece, and then here is the palm tree piece of this Tealight holder. So there's that, and I could actually resin that in there if I want to. I'm gonna let it sit for a day or so that it can cure fully. Then you just put a Tealight behind it. So let me turn my light off here. So that's basically what you're looking like. I really am very happy with it, and I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe down below. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a wonderful day.